day 2 after landing, and we are going or heading back to Pune.
हाय एंड वेलकम। सलाम नमस्ते ने माजा। तो ये लैंड करके अपनी स्टूडेंट के पास आफ्टर स्पेंडिंग द होल नाइट मॉर्निंग आई थिंक अंटिल आफ्टरनून आई वाज हियर। मैं 12 बजे के करीब करीब निकली एंड यू सॉ दिस कैब गाय। माय गॉड, द म्यूजिक ही वाज प्लेइंग वाज अमेजिंग। आई एम श्योर कि कोई दिल जला होगा या किसी का दिल टूटा होगा, दैट पर्सन इज गोइंग टू एंजॉय और क्राई लिसनिंग टू दिस म्यूजिक। आई वाज जस्ट एंजॉयिंग। तो ये हम चले जुहू से दादर। So Dadar is where I'm going to go to the Shivneri bus stop. What you're seeing is apparently a TT flyover. So eastern side of the Dadar is where I wanted to go. तो अपना Uber जिंदाबाद. So I've done the Uber as usual. और ये आप देख रहे हो पूरे फ्लाईओवर्स, कंस्ट्रक्शन, डेवलपमेंट सब चल रहा था और हम पहुंच गए दादर टीटी जंक्शन। ये फ्लाईओवर के अंदर ही आपको आपका शिवनेरी का ये मिल जाएगा बस स्टॉप। बस थोड़ा सा ये वो जतन करके आई फाइनली गॉट टू नो वेयर इज द बस। मैं बस में चढ़ी, आई हेल्प्ड टू पीपल एज वेल और फिर शिवनेरी बस का थोड़ा सा आपको दर्शन दिया। इफ यू सी दिस शिवनेरी बस, दिस इज एक्चुअली महाराष्ट्र गवर्नमेंट्स bus where I remember Mr. Modi had made a good subsidy for ladies at any age. So this is a very good shift and I'm very happy कि कैसे आपको सीनियर होने की जरूरत नहीं है अगर आपको डिस्काउंट चाहिए। तो कई तो एक खुशी मिलती है दैट यू विल रीच एट अ वेरी गुड डिस्टेंस एट अ वेरी मिनिमल अमाउंट। सो आई पेड 300 प्लस समथिंग इन ऑर्डर टू गो, क्योंकि अगर मैं ट्रेन लू सो समवेयर इट वुड बी इक्विवेलेंट या ज्यादा हो जाए इफ आई टेक द वंदे भारत एंड ऑल, या अगर मैं उबर टैक्सी करूं सो आई वुड हैव लैंडेड अप पेइंग 3000 और 4000। सो इट डजंट मेक सेंस वो करने हैं। बट इफ इन केस आप आपका माल, आपका सामान खुद उठा रख सकते हो, दैट जगल इज समथिंग यू नीड टू हैव अ स्ट्रेंथ ऑफ। बस फिर क्या, हम चल पड़े, पूरा व्यू दिया, आस्ते आस्ते बस भरने लगी। बट आई वॉज लकी बिकॉज ये आफ्टरनून है, इट वॉज वेरी हॉट। द बस इज AC बट आउटसाइड इट वॉज वेरी हॉट। तो ज्यादा पीपल डिड नॉट प्लाई एंड दैट इज हाउ आई वाज सेफ। बस फिर ये हमारी सवारी शुरू हुई एंड द शॉफर वाज वेरी काइंड इनफ। ही टोल्ड आप ये सीट पे बैठ सकते हो एंड ही वाज आस्किंग ऑल द डिटेल्स, आप क्या करते हैं, ऐसा करने से आपको क्या मिलता है, बट फिर पैसा तो आप ही का जाता है एंड ऑल दैट। सो आई टोल्ड दैट सर जी ऐसा नहीं होता है, हर बार स्ट्रेट आपको पैसा मिलना जरूरी नहीं है। एंड दिस इज व्हाट आई डू, आई टोल्ड हिम। I travel and then I'm visiting by God's grace. अगर मौका मिल रहा है so why not। बस फिर काफी लोगों ने उनको मैंने उनको बोला कि मेरे को मेरे फ्रेंड्स ने काफी इंस्पायर किया है that why don't you vlog, या दुनिया को बता सकते हो कि कितना मस्त अलग जिंदगी है। I remember when मैं अफ्रीका आई थी, people used to have a different notion and then I didn't change but I conveyed that how beautiful it is as well। तो ये समंदर के ऊपर से हम जा रहे थे। So you cross Chembur, you cross Vashi and everything.
So the boarding point was Dadar, as I told you. Now bus will go via Sion, Chembur, Navi Mumbai. So we are going to hit Pune Mumbai Expressway in few times. And in Pune, it goes to Hinjewadi, Pune Station, Wakad, Swargate, many areas. I have taken station. Now we have headed to Pune. Like yesterday I told you, at the airport you can use metro, you can use a bus if you want to commute, or you can take Uber. We have Uber here as well. So now I have chosen Shivneri because I wanted to travel, it's my choice. Like last time you saw I flew, but now I wanted to go via Shivneri. This is the bus which was launched long ago when I used to reside here. And now they have begun, I mean it's still continuing, it's very nice. That time it was a very big thing to travel via this, now it's very common. But yes, one of the best mode in case you want to travel from Mumbai to Pune, or you want to go say a general prior, different small towns that you want to visit, it stops there as well. Now the first thing we are going to do is we are going to stop at a food mall. I'll give you the view of the food mall as well, and then I'll tell you the second stop where we are going to take. So this is how the whole journey is with breaks. Suppose you want to take washroom break or you want to eat, you just want to hang out and get your legs loosened up. So this is all the things that you can apparently explore. So we have almost exited Mumbai. Mumbai nikal gaye na apu? Okay, so we are at Vashi now. We have exited. So the sir is telling me that today we are lucky we didn't get much of traffic. Rather, usually you get a lot of traffic and you're stuck like crazy. I hope the luck favors further as well, and that is what we'll continue. Stay tuned. We are entering to the expressway. This is world's biggest expressway, running 7 lanes at one go. We were even awarded when this started. So this is how the whole thing had begun. So this is the entry we have started, and you see how people have to observe their lanes. So people majorly try. Two-wheelers were not allowed. Other two-wheeler allowed ahe? Nahi na? Till date, two-wheelers are not allowed. But if in between you see somewhere people are patching in, is because they stay in the village attaching to that. So it's a kind of a connection for that short patch. Only those people are allowed. But if you think of coming with it or on this express highway with it, then you won't be entertained. So be very careful. If you're on two-wheeler, you cannot. I am in the bus, like I already told you, or these Ubers or your private vehicles. Four-wheelers are allowed here. So look at the view. It's so beautiful. Let me scroll zoom for you. You see these are the mountains. So that is how all these things are there. You see, I'll show you the mountains. It's a beautiful view you will get if you come. People stand, they do their all understanding of trekking, and then you can go to Imagica. Basically very nice.
So the small stops that I was telling you is basically when you take Shivneri from Dadar, you'll be asked what exactly you want to get down. So you'll be able to get down at Swakad, Swargate, Hinjewadi, and few stops which comes along the way. Let's continue with this lovely Mumbai-Pune Expressway. It's the India's first 6-lane, let me correct myself, I told 7 there, concrete access controlled expressway, and one of the country's most important infrastructure achievements. It connects Mumbai and Pune through the scenic Western Ghats. That is what I was trying to show you. All the beautiful ghats and things, and the view is just next level. Key information, let me explain you. The length of this whole express highway is 94.5 kilometers. This opened in 2002. It was a big hype, let me tell you. People were enjoying coming and going in like 3 or 4 hours. And if you really have a good car, then people were even managing in 2.5 hours, which is amazing. So the purpose was basically to reduce travel time and improve connectivity between Mumbai and Pune. Because there are many people who travel by train, trust me. This was built by Maharashtra State Road Development Corporation. Before the expressway, you will see I have traveled by bike later in this same holiday. Old highway journey could take 6 to 8 hours. The expressway reduced it to 3 to 4 hours depending on the major traffic. So if you see the major features here, the access controlled highway, only specific entry and exit points are allowed, making travel smoother and safer compared to regular highways. The Western Ghats scenic route basically passes through Lonavala, Khandala, mountain tunnels, valleys and waterfalls during monsoon. So you'll see the Ghats as well and the tunnels. I'll take you through that. Talking about the tunnels and bridges, if you see, there are multiple tunnels through hills, large bridges and flyovers, advanced engineering for its time.
This is the first tunnel we'll be touching when you go from Mumbai to Pune.
Now, as I was telling you about the achievement and we are going to enter the tunnel, let me tell you about the achievement as well. View to ek number tha, no doubt. ये तो एकदम mesmerizing है. But हाँ, इसका achievement is next level. So this is India's first expressway. It marked the beginning of modern expressway development in India and became a model for future highways like Yamuna Expressway, Delhi Mumbai Expressway. It actually is contributing a lot to the economy as well. Why? Because it has greatly improved the trade. But of course, the time is cut down, so trade between Mumbai and Pune is become amazing. Tourism to hill stations has become like next level. People just say, "Aaj main nashta karne Lonavala ja raha," and they actually do that. Let me tell you. IT and business growth in Pune and faster transport of goods. This has really been a great boon. But there's one more missing link coming, and also there is that Atal Setu that you can use. ये आया अब हमारा टाइम खाने पीने का. So we took a halt
So
at
this
the
is the
mall.
food mall. We have taken a stop. If you see, you can eat vada pav. This Datta is pretty famous for their Kothambir vadi. You get a spacious parking if you want, and that is how, remember in my last vlog I have given. Let's go closer. We'll explore that side. Let me see if I get anything to eat. But yes, I can definitely show you how things work here, and then you can explore all possible joints that you can get. Now I'm going to move to these joints and explore what we can eat. It's your choice what you wish to eat accordingly. So you have this Chaha Maharashtra's Nescafe. Let me take you inside. So when you enter from here, you get this ice cream. We've got lovely fan, McDonald's. You can stand here and eat. Chiki wala. Vada pav is something very famous. It's a stuffed thing. You see, he's got it on in his hand. Yeah, that's vada pav. You can buy books if in case you're a book reader. Look at the lovely fruit.
No road trip on the Mumbai-Pune Expressway feels complete without a stop at food malls of the Lonavala. So this is one of them that I came just surfing through and showing you how the displays are, how people order. Moment you enter, the vibe instantly changes.
They present like these samples in case you want to choose. This is our subway. Looks beautiful, handmade. Apna KFC. There's burgers, you get Starbucks, Theobroma. Every possible thing under one roof is what you will get.
Standing at one corner, moment you enter, vibe instantly changes. This is my time now to have my McDonald's. I really miss McDonald's back in Africa, so I'm like, let me have some here. This is my order. So मैंने खाया McSpicy. I'm a big fan of McSpicy if you see, and I'm eating here. While I eat, let me continue with the information. Travelers stretching their legs, families grabbing quick bites, like you see, I'm having my drink. The aroma of fresh chai and snacks filling the air. Garam itna tha, chai peene ka man nahi tha. So I like, let me better stick to my Coke and my McSpicy. And the constant buzz of journeys crossing paths. These food malls have become more than just stopovers. They are a part of Mumbai Pune travel culture itself. That's our famous bun maska.
So this is how you can enjoy at the food mall, and then you take your car and speed up. But yes, for me, I have come with a public transport. It's a government transport, not public, and that is how I'm heading to that. So you get a time limit of 20 minutes. If you're not back by 20 minutes, they will leave you and go. So if you are taking like me any government bus, be careful that you stick to the time, and accordingly you are not left behind.
This is the actual place where it starts. Sorry, the bus stops. So if you see, this is a little bit a lower budget of your eating thing that you wish to do. So you saw how there were fruits, then there were fast food, street foods, washroom is of course here. Datta is also here. Then you can have grab your upma, idli. I'm a fan of dabili, but I was really full and I didn't want to eat too much. I try when I'm traveling, I don't eat too much and I keep it low. These are those pedas. I asked him what is this. He told me it's mawa peda, which is really nice. Yeah, see, I'm asking him.
इधर आके खाते हैं.
काय ते भरपूर बरेच लोक आहे ना इथे उतरून तिकडे जातात.
हाँ.
So this is chauffeur's question that he's like, I'm so intrigued कि लोग उतर के वो मॉल में क्यों खाने जाते और इधर नहीं खाते. So like many people do that. I wonder. So I told him how it's a very famous joint there we have existing. That's a Starbucks, KFC, then McDonald's. You have Ajfan as well. I'll try to shoot next time for Ajfan. बस ये खा पी के हम चले. So you saw there are so many buses. The frequency of Shivneri is 15 minutes. Every 15 minutes you will get a Shivneri, or a Shivneri is actually going. Usually it's 1 hour they say, but buses lag jati hai and it's all set ke aap बैठ जाओ. The tickets are taken in the bus, so you don't have to go to any vending window or anything as such. Bus, yes, Pune से जब हमने लिया था, you'll see in a day or two we'll travel back to drop Renish's sister. तभी हम लोग ने एक वेंडिंग विंडो से लिया था. तो पूना में विंडो है, बट मुंबई में I didn't incur any window. You just have to sit, and the lady conductor had come to us and she did it. And automatically she'll give you the discount of whatever the ladies discount is, and you are sorted. बस ये नज़ारे देखते हुए, सब कुछ देखते हुए मजा आया. And I was shooting it. Trust me, the camera is not doing the justice that it should. But nevertheless, you can see the feeling, the turns, the twist of the highway that we went through. और बहुत मजा आया. बस फाइनली ये सफर चलता गया. फिर हम उतरे, छोटे छोटे स्टॉप्स आए पूना के, एंड वी गॉट डाउन इन पुणे. पुणे जाने के पहले ये बहुत इंट्रीगिंग चीज हुई. यहाँ पर आपको काफी मंकीज दिखेंगे. The chauffeur was feeling very upset कि उन्होंने आज बिस्किट नहीं लाया उनके लिए. I told him I have breads, don't worry. You see, we gave them breads.
हातात द्या ना, हातात द्या ना, हातात द्या, हातात द्या. काय नाही करत ते.
Thank you.
तुम्ही आता.
So it was a very different feeling. You know, even he was very happy and gave me opportunity to feed them. बस फिर ये हमारा पूना में टच डाउन हुआ. So you saw पिंपरी आने वाला था. This Chinchwad Pimpri Pune which is going to come. So I think this is Hinjewadi Phase 3 metro जो बन रहा है. Then there were a few ladies who saw me shooting as well. So she told me तुम क्या करते? I told her how I do the YouTube, और I'm just an upcoming one. इतनी famous तो नहीं हूँ, but inshallah one day आप लोग के प्यार से, you never know, I'll grow. And she told, आओ हमारे घर पे कभी. Now you're my friend, so do mention us as well. So this is how we became a good friends. ये JRD Tata Bridge आया, सब कुछ आते हुए. Finally, I was dropped at RTO. I told her, just drop me there. I don't want to go to station. And my brother came to pick me. Finally, we called it an evening. Do like, share, and definitely don't forget to shower to grow the community with your subscribes. This is all military area. When you cross Pimpri, you'll see all this. So ye Dapodi aaya, Khadki aaya, and then I got down at RTO. You'll see station metro station as well for the main Pune
This
junction
is
or Pune
RTO
station.
where I got down for the ease, and it's easy. This is all RTO road if you see. This is where I'm standing. My brother will come to pick me up. This is how the crazy traffic goes. How is it? This is how the crazy traffic goes. Huh?
बस अपने ट्रैफिक को प्यार करते हुए, see you another time. Till then, take care.